In this video, I'll show you how to extract text from images using Claude AI. This is a quick way to pull written content from photos, screenshots, or scanned documents. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click the plus icon next to the message box to open the Tools menu. From the menu that appears, I'll choose the option to upload a file or image. Now I'll select the image file from my computer that contains the text I want to extract. Once the image uploads, it will appear in the chat message area. Next, I'll click inside the message box and type a prompt such as, "Extract the text from this image." Then I'll click the send button. Claude will analyze the image and generate a text version of the content shown in the image. If needed, I can also ask Claude to format the text, summarize it, or organize it into paragraphs or bullet points. Once the text is extracted, I can copy the content and use it in documents, notes, or other projects. And that's it. I've successfully extracted text from an image using Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.